Welcome. Today we're going to show you a simple and effective way to hide Snapchat lock screen notifications using the Miscellaneous category, updated for the latest settings. If you want to keep your Snapchat messages private and prevent them from showing up openly on your lock screen, this method will help you do just that. First, start by unlocking your phone and heading straight to your phone settings. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your notifications and privacy. Once you're in settings, look for the apps option and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open its specific settings. Here, you'll see several options, and what you want to focus on is notifications. Tap on Notifications to dive deeper into Snapchat's notification preferences. Once inside Notifications, you should see a section called Notification Categories. Tapping this will show you different types of notifications that Snapchat uses, organized into categories. It might feel a bit detailed, but it's here that you can fine-tune exactly how and when notifications appear. Among the categories, find and tap on Miscellaneous. This category handles certain types of alerts that Snapchat sends, which often include those notifications most likely to show up on your lock screen. Now, look for the lock screen settings within the Miscellaneous category. Tap on Lock Screen, and you'll be presented with options for how notifications are displayed. Choose the option that says Hide Content. Selecting this ensures that while you will still get notified, the actual message content won't be visible on your lock screen, adding a layer of privacy. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now hidden the content of your Snapchat notifications from appearing on your lock screen without turning off notifications altogether. This keeps your messages private while still keeping you updated. Thanks for watching.